Never fear losing another precious memory again by learning how to automatically back up your PC photos to iCloud. The first step is to get iCloud for Windows installed on your computer. Head over to the official Apple website and search for iCloud for Windows download and run the installer. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once installed, launch iCloud for Windows and sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is the same Apple ID you use for your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now for the magic. In the iCloud for Windows application, you'll see a list of options. Make sure the Photos checkbox is ticked, then click the Options button right next to it. This will open the iCloud Photos settings. Crucially, you need to enable iCloud Photo Library. Think of this as your central hub for all your photos across your devices. You'll also see an option for upload new photos and videos from my PC. Make sure that's checked. Next, click the Change button next to Photos. Here, you choose the specific folders on your PC that contain the photos you want to automatically upload to iCloud. Select all the folders with your cherished memories to ensure they're backed up. Once you've configured these settings, iCloud for Windows will start automatically uploading your photos from the selected folders to your iCloud photo library. You'll see them appear in the iCloud Drive folder on your PC. And the best part, these photos will then seamlessly sync to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac through the Photos app, making your entire collection accessible from anywhere, and most importantly, safely backed up.